My small curling iron broke and I was looking for curling irons on Amazon, and this is by far the coolest kit I found. It comes with like one curling iron thing and 5 different curling iron attachments, because I really wanted a hair crimper and different wands. So I decided to have fun with it and curl my hair with all of the different attachments. I thought it was very good priced for what I got. So anyway, comes with the glove, 5 different attachments, and 2 hair clips. And I loved it. I will say, I just love really, really, really curly hair because my hair's so straight. So I really enjoyed either this wand or this tiny wand. I love doing it the night before, just like while I'm watching TV or something. And then my hair was super curly still by the next morning. And then the curls just slowly fall out throughout the week. So I really enjoyed these. These just, you know, gave my hair a nice wave. But by the second day, like, the curls were almost gone. And by like the 3rd day, they're like, my hair is pretty much straight again. These were both pretty comparable. I mean, close. And even this one, I mean, it had a nice crimp, but by the 2nd day, my crimp was, I mean, my hair was pretty straight. Happened for me. So anyway, this is a fun set. And if anyone's interested in it, I will